Hi guys, welcome back to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and the most relevant drone news. Today we're back with breaking news regarding the possibility of two upcoming DJI drones. But before we get started with those news, make sure you'll subscribe to the channel and help us get to 1,000 subs. As if we are able to get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st, we're gonna be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure you'll help us get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's news. So today, Drone DJI made an article regarding two patents that were made public regarding two DJI drones that might be in the works. So the first one is very interesting, and this is something we haven't seen from DJI in the past before. So the first one is a bicopter drone. So the patent shows that what looks to be a small rectangular block with round edges that is equipped with two motors at the top that looks to be mounted onto rotating plates. These plates make up for the lack of four motors by swiveling to adjust the angle of thrust produced by the drone. In the drone, we're also able to see what looks like a camera hole on the front of the drone. It looks like this is not gonna be a big drone, it's probably gonna be a tiny little drone, obviously with no gimbal camera, of course, because that would make the drone too heavy. But it looks like it's gonna be a pretty reasonable size camera, and it's gonna provide us with a really nice picture and video quality. So we do not know if this is gonna be a selfie drone or this could be a drone that's more focused onto military operations and surveillance and reconnaissance missions. As we've seen in the past, another company has done this with the Black Hornet drone, which is made by FLIR. I'm gonna leave a picture of that right here on the screen. So that is the Black Hornet, which has already signed a contract with the military for a lot of money. So they're gonna help those drones with the military. So we don't know which route DJI is gonna take, if they're gonna go towards the selfie market, toward the more consumer-focused market, or towards the military. We do not know yet. So it looks like this is gonna be a small unmanned aerial vehicle that's gonna have a small body, and it looks pretty choppy. Doesn't look very slick, but if it gets the job done, I'm more than welcome to get that drone. It looks very different from what we've seen in the past from DJI. It looks like it's not gonna have any arms that we can see in the picture, so I'm gonna leave the picture of what the drone looks like right here on the screen. So that was the picture that Drone DJI released. So that's gonna be for that first drone and that first patent. So we don't know if this is gonna be even released, but we know that DJI is exploring with bicopter drones, something that's very new to the market, as 00 Robotics released their first bicopter drone a year back, but we haven't seen that drone hit the market yet. So I'm pretty excited to see what DJI has to offer, and if they are actually gonna release a bicopter drone. So as soon as any more news come out on this drone, we will make a video and be able to inform you. But now let's move on to the second drone of today's topic. So that is regarding the possibility of, we've been talking about DJI releasing a racing drone. So today there was another patent released by DJI, and this looks like it's gonna be a frame for the upcoming racing drone. So I'm gonna leave a picture of what that looks like right here on the screen. So that is the second drone. So it looks like this is gonna be a different design from what we saw on last video. Last video we touched topic on a design similar to the Spark, but this looks completely different. So from what we can see right here, this is a frame and a multi-rotor unmanned aircraft aerial vehicle. So it looks like this frame includes a triangular arm and a center frame. We don't know if this is going to be able to fold. It doesn't look like, in my opinion. The triangle arm includes a first arm, a second arm, and a telescopic arm. The first arm, the second arm, and the telescopic arm are hinged together to form a triangle. When a telescopic arm moves from an extended state to a retracted state, the triangular arm is folded toward a direction close to the center frame. So we don't know. It might be a foldable drone. We don't know yet. So it looks like if this is what DJI is gonna release, it looks like they're gonna include the ESCs from what we can see in the pictures, and DJI is gonna leave us for the consumer just to mount our own FPV systems our cameras and our controls. So they're probably just gonna sell just the frame, so we don't know yet. We don't have any specs on any of these drones, but as soon as those come out, we'll be doing a video covering those topics. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.